Good morning, students. In our today's lecture, we will discuss next important topic from your book, significance of the title of the essay, Tight Corners, written by E.V. Lucas. I repeat the topic which we are going to discuss today, significance of the title of the essay, Tight Corners, written by E.V. Lucas. Students, this is a picture image of the writer E.V. Lucas. Before beginning with the topic, I would like to give you a brief introduction to the writer. So let's have a look over the brief introduction to the writer. E.V. Lucas was born in 1868 and died in 1933. He was journalist with a very wide range of learning. He is recognized as the preeminent editor of Charles Lamb's works and the biographer of Lamb. His editions of the life and letters of Charles Lamb was the result of his lifelong sympathy and devoted research. So E.V. Lucas, he was born in 1868 and he died in 1933. He was a journalist and he had a great learning. He is recognized as the preeminent editor of Charles Lamb's works and he was also the biographer of Charles Lamb. His editions of Life and Letters of Charles Lamb was the result of his lifelong sympathy and research which he did with devotion. It goes to his credit that he popularized the love of Charles Lamb in the 20th century. Though he wore the mantle of Lamb, there are a few dissimilarities between the two writers. Though both of them, E.V. Lucas and Charles Lamb, both of them have so many similarities, but there are some dissimilarities also between both of these writers. So let's now begin with the topic, significance of the title, Tight Corners, written by E.V. Lucas. Tight Corners is a piece taken from the book Giving and Taking, which is a collection of delightful writings by E.V. Lucas. So Tight Corners, it is a piece of writing taken from the book Giving and Taking, and that book is a collection of delightful writings written by E.V. Lucas. Tight Corners is more of a story than an essay. So Tight Corner is more of a story than an essay. The writer is the hero of the story. Writer E.V. Lucas himself is the hero of the story and he tells the story in his own words. So it is autobiographical in nature. Autobiographical. This essay, which is more of a story, this essay Tight Corners, it is, in this story writer is hero and he tells the story in his own words. So this story, this essay is autobiographical in nature. Biography means जीवनी, autobiography means स्वजीवनी, which the writer writes about himself or herself. That is called autobiography. So this story or this essay is autobiographical in nature. The writer describes an auction in which he found himself in a tight corner by bidding for fun. In this essay, the writer describes an incident of an auction. Auction means nilami karna. He describes an incident of an auction in which the writer E.V. Lucas finds himself in a tight corner. Tight corner here means a difficult situation. So he He describes an incident of an auction in which he finds himself in a difficult situation by bidding for fun. In which he bids only for the sake of fun. In that incident, he finds himself in a very difficult situation or in a tight corner. Tight corners are critical or difficult situations in which we sometimes find ourselves. Such difficult situations involve physical as well as mental risk. The writer says that sometimes we face such tight corners to which we can also call difficult situations, and these situations can be physical as well as mental also. We feel embarrassed when we get into a tight corner. So whenever we face any difficult problem due to our own reason, then we feel embarrassed. We are in a fix to know what to do next. We find it difficult to escape from such a tight corner. So, when we are confused how to come out of that difficult situation, at that time we feel embarrassed and we find it very difficult to escape from such a difficult situation. E.V. Lucas describes the tight corners in which his friends found themselves. They got into difficult situations because they were adventurous. His friends were sitting together and talking about tight corners into which they got at certain times. In this story, E.V. Lucas he describes the difficult situations which his friends faced in their lives. They got into difficult situations because they were adventurous. His friends were sitting together and talking about difficult situations into which they got at different times. They were describing the difficult situations in which they found themselves and how they found an escape. So when E.V. Lucas was sitting with his friends, all of them were talking about tight corners or the difficult situations which they face into their lives, on and how they found an escape from those situations. One of them had been caught by the tide in Brittany, a province of France facing the English Channel and the Atlantic Ocean. One of his friends told that once he was caught by the tide in Brittany, that is a province of France facing towards the English Channel of the ocean and the Atlantic Ocean. He would have been drowned, but he had a very narrow escape from that danger to his life. Then the second friend narrated his experience of a tight corner. So first friend tells about an incident in which he had a very narrow escape. Otherwise, he would have been drowned into the deep ocean. Then the second friend he narrates his experience of a tight corner or of a difficult situation. He He was on an elephant when it was attacked by a tiger. So second friend narrates a story that once he was riding on an elephant and that elephant was attacked by a tiger. There was a great danger to his life, but he escaped by the skin of his teeth. So, the third friend had been on the top story of a house which was on fire. The fourth was attacked by a submarine in the war. So, second friend narrates his story that he was once riding on an elephant and the elephant was attacked by a tiger. Third friend tells his story that once he was on the top story of a house which was on fire, and the fourth friend tells his story that how he was attacked by a submarine in the war. So all four friends of E.V. Lucas narrate their own stories of tight corner or of difficult situation which all of them faced into their lives. All of them talked of tight corners which involved physical risk or danger. The writer had an experience which involved great mental risk. He came out with a critical situation which was mental. He was in the tightest corner at Christie's, which was a London firm of auctioneers dealing in works of art. So all the friends of Evie Lucas, all of them talked about tight corners, which involved physical risk or danger. The writer had an experience which involved great risk to his mental on his mental level. He came out with a critical situation which was mental. He was in difficult situation or in the tightest corner at Christie's. This is a place which was a London firm of auctioneers. He was in a difficult situation at Christie's, that is a London firm of auctioneers dealing in works of art. He went into the sale room at Christie's along with a friend. They were selling pictures painted by French artists. So the writer Evie Lucas narrates his story that once he went into the sale room at Christie's along with his friend. There they were selling pictures painted by French artists. Each picture was fetching up four figures. The writer started bidding just for fun. So in that exhibition, the writer Evie Lucas, he started bidding those painting for those paintings or that for that picture just for the sake of fun. He had only 63 pounds in the bank and he could get the maximum loan of 500 on securities, and he was bidding at the auction like a millionaire. His friend cautioned him, but he did not bother. So the writer started bidding there just for fun. He had only 63 pounds in the bank and he could get a maximum loan of 500 on securities. Though his friend cautioned him, but he did not bother and he started bidding there like a millionaire. And then a picture was put up and a well-known dealer created a sensation. He started the bidding at the highest figure of that day. He made a sensational bid of 4,000 guineas. So then the picture was put up and a well-known dealer created a sensation. That dealer started bidding at the highest figure of that day, and then he made a sensational bid by uh, by bidding for 4,000 guineas. The writer was so excited that he did not know when he made it 4,050 guineas. So the writer, in excitement, he made the bid and he made the bid for 4,050 guineas. The dealer made no more bid. No other higher offer came. The writer was horrified. So after that, no bid was made. No other offer for higher bid came. So the writer was horrified. His heart stopped beating. The hammer fell and he was in the tightest corner because the writer didn't have any money. He had only 63 pounds in his bank. So he felt that he was in a tightest corner. He did not want the picture, but he was going to buy it for 4,050 guineas. So he was in a difficult situation. This was the most critical situation because he could not arrange for that much of money. So the writer says that he was in the most difficult situation of his life because he had to buy that picture which he didn't want to buy, and he didn't have that much money to buy the picture. We are not concerned with what happened next and how he found an escape. The writer says that we are not concerned with what happened next after that and how he found an escape. But as far as the title goes, it is the most meaningful and significant. But as far as the title is concerned, the title is very much meaningful and is significant. It brings out the physical as well as mental aspects of tight corners. The friends were in tight corners of physical nature. So all four friends of Evie Lucas, they were in tight corners of physical nature. But the writer was in a tight corner of mental nature because he bid at a very large amount of money. So he was in a fix to know what to do. So he was confused of what to do next, how to buy that picture and how to arrange the money to buy that picture. So by this discussion it becomes clear that the title of this essay is significant. Title: Tight Corners. This title is significant because it describes the tight corner or the difficult situation in the life of the writer E.V. Lucas. So students, today we have covered this important topic, significance of title of the essay Tight Corners. Tomorrow we will continue with our next lecture on some next topic. Thank you very much.